from Computer Engineering final year at Government Polytechnic Murtizapur. And by this video clip, I am going to share my experience in Mountreach Solution Private Limited Company during my internship program. Before sharing my experience, I just want to thank our mentor Nikhil Shende sir for giving me this opportunity. And sharing about experience, wow, it was very knowledgeable and unforgettable. I joined the company as an intern for Android development skill through online mode. During internship program, I learned various skills like how to build a commercial project and work on it. This internship program was worth it and really helpful for future. I learned more than I ever expected. As we know that practical experience is the best and internship gives students that hands-on experience they need. In today's corporate culture, Android development is a great thing to learn and understand. When I reflect back on all I have learned, I realize what an excellent experience this has been. As a computer engineering student, I am grateful for such a practical experience and skills which are really helpful to be a responsible and creative executive individual. Once again, thank you for the golden chance. Thank you. Thank you all. Have a good day.
Hello friends, hope all are doing well. Myself Sheetal Deshpande, and through this video, I am going to share my experience to all of you about my internship done at Mountreach Solution Private Limited Company. First of all, I would like to thank our mentor as well as head of HR department Mr. Nikhil Shende sir who guided us. It was really a great experience while learning there. All our colleagues also very helpful. So we all learn and grow very well. I joined there as an intern for Android development skill. We all know the great internship provides a knowledge and skills to become a successful in specific career field. And it is one of them. When we were working there, it was a pandemic situation. So we learned through online mode. As a polytechnic student in computer engineering final year, I really enjoyed my internship and it is also a valuable experience for me. At last, I want to thank the company to give a chance to develop myself here and also very thankful to give an opportunity to share my experience. Thank you so much all. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Today, the student of Diploma in Computer Engineering final year. I am super excited and at the same time very grateful to share my journey, rather my experience with Mountreach Solution Private Limited. Last year we did our industry training under the able guidance of Nikhil Shende sir. There were a few tasks given to us which was the best part in our training and internship, and I was surely obsessed with it. I learned about the time and its management with which I was struggling few days back. Apart from the normal lectures, they will give us expert lectures and guest lectures which will really help me to develop myself personally and professionally. At the end, I would like to say, advise you all that this company provides best internships and trainings. Thank you so much respected Nikhil Shende sir for encouraging me throughout my journey, and thank you so much Mountreach Solution Private Limited for this opportunity. Thank you.